Oh wait, oh wait. Oh, we have that one. What's up guys, it is your boy Michael here, and welcome back to my video on the Michael unboxing. So today, we'll go to the part 2 of the Oreo Babymonster unboxing video. So this is with the original version of the vanilla, the strawberry, the 2-1, and the marshmallow cream. That's the new limited edition of the free Photocards. So this one is the boxing of this one here. I remember this one. This one here does this picture because so this one the vanilla or the original one. So this one from backup and packaging with the same the original. And we got this one. They scan to win. Yeah, this is to collect all the 8 of this one. And the strawberry looks pretty good. I don't know why I hate chocolate one because it's the really I understand it. Just really so tasty, so fine. I don't know. We got the bag again. We got the marshmallow one. Oh yeah. I'm gonna stand with this one. We got the bag again. We got the exclusive link again. This the same one and the same one new favorites. So I'm gonna try this one now. This one I'm gonna really appreciate that focus my camera. I just this one there. So we're gonna put it down here. Okay. If you like this video, smash the like, subscribe button, notification bell to notify you for the latest videos. And I hope you enjoying it. Let's get it open it. Okay, so first off, we need the vanilla one, and we got the original one. I don't know how much of this open unboxing, so let's get it open the first one. So I got a little knife there, or a little cutter. This one. Oh, that's pretty nice. I like it. This one. That's the yeah. Carefully listen. Okay. Open it. Unboxing. We got to open it. Oh, what do we got there? I can't believe it. Wait, hold on. I got 1 minute. So I got this one here. No. Oh, we got this one. Oh wait. Oh, we have that one. Whoa, Chiquita. I have Chiquita one. Hey. Look at this. So you guys see just we gotta focus in. Oh shoot. They got a back one. And the 2 berries. Yeah, they got cherry berry. That's what a great design. So I'm gonna just put thing hold on. Let me second. I have this one. Literally for this one and this the original one. It's so good. They got to put in card sleeve. This is card sleeve. I just gotta put in card sleeve now. Oh wow. Look at this. Oh wow. This is pretty good. We got the 2 strawberry. Let's go and open it on the second ball. Hey, that slide is so good. Okay, what we got there? Oh shoot, I got my freaking Babymonster fans in here. I don't know why, but this is coming up. Oh, whoa. We got Anyong. Hello. Hold on. We got Anyong. Oh shoot! Oh my god, that's so pretty. Oh my goodness, this is so pretty. This is pretty cool photo cards. And the back here with the butterfly one. That's pretty good. Okay, we got the dirt one, packaging, all the boxing. Okay, let's see. Are we gonna open it? Maybe this time. Okay, I'm gonna cut this a little bit. Wow, a little bit so good. I need a little bit of one this one, so I'm gonna try this one here. Oh wow, I'm trying to hold this. Wow, look at this. Whoop, oh. Oh, wow. Roller. I have roller here. Oh, that's roller here. Hey. We got roller here. I got the roller here. You see this? We got the... What is this? We got a bunch of flowers on this one. Roller. That's a local sign. Oh, wow. This one. Oh, crap. Hey, we got a 2 card sleeve. Oh, what card sleeve? Oh, shoot. Oh, look at the card. This one. 2 card sleeves forever. Okay. I'm gonna put the onion. Before. Whatever. I will put the card. Sheesh. Hey, we got the roller here. Oh, no one, this one. Just been putting in this palita. We need palita one. I need a palita one. I don't know, man. Well, I'm gonna try this one here. Okay. And last but not least, marshmallow. Let's go. Let's get it. Open it. So we're gonna eat this one. You know, maybe. Maybe this time. Okay. Oh shoot. Open it. Ah! Oh shoot. Oh, I forgot. Hold on. Let's see. Cutting it away. Finally. Oh, by the way, this one. Oh shoot. Wait. Hold on. Oh wait. Wow. Wait. Hold on. Don't look. Don't look, guys. Don't look. I have to see this. Don't look. Oh, not onion. Come on. Are you serious? So I got this one, the onion, this one. I don't have anything idea what one. But basically there. So I got this one complete the set. This is what's her name again? Shakira. We got the one. We got the one Shakira, and we got the 2 onion. So onion was pretty girl. It's pretty good. It's pretty girl. Yeah. We got 2 of them. We got the roller. I need to see this. The missing, nothing that's coming out of Rami of this one. I will ask the group. We need the group of this one. Whatever this is. After this is Palita. Palita Asa. We got Palita Asa. Hold on. What do we got? 1, 2, 3. Oh yeah, this is one for that one. I don't know what is this one here. So this is Palita. This is Shakira. We got the roller and onion. I have the 2 one. I have no idea what doesn't come events. So this is a fact. This is a fact. I'm really disappointed at this one, the onion. So we're gonna find out the box in this next video. I don't know. We'll show with the Christmas, but I got a more special up. Oh. We got a focus on here in this one here. We got the K-pop fans or whatever this one. I'm going. This one, the crown. This looks pretty cute. This the mini copter. This looks pretty cute. I don't know, but this one here, this will try. Okay, guys. So we're gonna first number this one. The Oreo vanilla. I don't know. This is a really original series one. I got a bottom of the boxing for this one. So we're gonna cut this one. Maybe. This time, let's show you this mini cutter. I'm never using scissors just because of real damage. Ah, crap! What the heck? This is what it looks like. Oh, we got a Rami here. We're so broken-hearted. We got a Faluda. Looks better than. Looks better than the original. It's pretty good. Okay, we got the last one on these. I'm gonna taste this one, strawberry one. It's pretty unique. Oh, this is strawberry. Yeah, I know this is strawberry. Taste test. Oh, what's going on? Yeah, look at this one. It's my favorites. Hold on, wait a second. Oh, sweet color. What is sweet color? What the? Oh shoot! Oh my god, slide on the bed. Mini cutters or something like that. Oh, strawberry one. There's a little creamy with this one. Let me see how. Let me see how. Come on. We got that. Oh, well, another rummy. Are you kidding me? Got strawberry. Oh shoot! I crack it. It looks pretty sweet. Yeah, it's pretty sweet that this one because better than the little one, the original one. No. I know what? I'll keep on this one. Let me keep on this. We got this is Chiquita, and we got roll up and 2 onion. What do you really say with onion in this one? Maybe. I don't know, but this time it confusing this one. We need to practice for this video to be continued, I promise. We got more. I need more. Anyways, thank you so much for watching for this video. Leave a like it and subscribe to the channel, notification bells, follow us on social medias. Every will be next video is Mangwang Chichalong SB19 collaboration. Special limited edition of the free cards related to this with 2 bundles of packets. I have no idea what's going on with this SB19 with the Philippine boy band. Yeah, it's a Pinoy boy band. That was my favorite. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. We'll see you there on my next video. Bye and peace.